Make ribbon necklaces. Making your own jewelry is a great business. It's profitable, there's always a market for it, and you can exercise your creative and design muscles while making a decent profit off it. For a small capital and a little effort, you can get a small empire off its feet just by making customized jewelry. And the best way to train how to make customized jewelry is by starting to make ribbon necklaces. You'll need the following items: ribbon beads, necklace clasp, needles, ruler, scissors. For best results, make sure that you're using ribbons that are 1/4 inch wide. Take your ruler and measure 18 inches on your ribbon. For children, measure 16 inches. Cut it off. Take your beads and use a needle to slide them on the ribbon. Thread the ribbon through the needle by cutting one end off at an angle to create a point. Slip that point through the eye of the needle. Make sure that the bead holes are pretty wide so you won't have difficulty sliding them on the needle and getting them where you want them on the ribbon. You can tie a knot on the ribbon on either side of the bead to stabilize them or keep them in place. Keep adding the beads on the ribbon until you make the design or pattern you intended on it, or until you run out of beads. It's often best that you come up with a design or pattern before you start threading beads so you save time and effort while making the necklace. When you're done threading the beads on the ribbon, attach the clasps on either end of the necklace. You can fasten the clasps in 2 ways: barrel clasps. Pull the ribbon through the loop found at the bottom of the clasps. Tie off the ribbon by pulling a knot tight on the loop and trimming off any extra ribbon after the knot. Pinch clasps. Put the end of the ribbon in the hole at the bottom of the clasp. Use needle nose pliers to pinch the metal plates around the ribbon to secure it. Be advised that this is just the basic instruction on how to create a ribbon necklace. The instructions on how to create patterns using the beads aren't too defined and are mostly general directions on how to thread the beads. You can use your creativity and design sense to come up with an attractive pattern using the beads. You can also use different kinds of beads and other costume jewelry to decorate the ribbon necklace. Making this ribbon necklace is quite fun and easy that you can have a child help you out with the creation process. In fact, you can use ribbon necklace making as a fun party activity the next time your child has a birthday party. Ribbon necklaces are also a great way to teach kids basic business management. You can have your kids sell them at school activities or in charitable functions as well.